Welcome to Major Mixing Educational Series. In this video, I'll walk you through how to properly prepare and export your multitrack for mixing in Logic Pro 10. Let's dive in. Open your project in Logic Pro 10 and save a new version of your project. Go to File, Save As, add For Mixing at the end of the file name and create a new version of the project. This will ensure you keep your original file intact. Name your tracks clearly. Proper track naming helps the mixing engineer easily navigate your project. Use clear and descriptive names like kick, lead vocal, guitar 1. Avoid such names as Audio 01 or Track 05. Before proceeding, ensure the vocals are properly tuned and the instruments are time-aligned. If you need help with this, we provide these services. If you feel your instruments or samples don't meet the desired standard, please consult our manager. We also offer sample replacement and instrument re-recording services. Now, let's return to the project export. If you have multiple tracks for the same instrument or vocal part, combine them into one consolidated track. For lead vocals, keep them separated by song sections. Lead verse, lead chorus, lead bridge. Turn off non-essential effects, EQ, compression, and reverb, unless they're essential to your sound. If you've designed a specific effect that defines the track or have an amp simulation on your guitars, duplicate the track, label one version as track name Dry for the track without effects, and label the other as track name Wet for the track with effects. Now it's time to export your multitrack files. Go to File, Export, All tracks as audio files. Choose a folder for your export. Create a new folder named after your song and include the tempo in the folder name. Set the file type to WAV or AIFF and 24-bit. Select Trim Silence, Add File End to remove unnecessary silence from your exports. Press Export button. Wait for the multitrack export to complete. Before sending, verify everything is correct. Create a new project and import your exported files. Press play and ensure all tracks are present and aligned correctly. If everything sounds good, you're ready to send it off. Place your multitrack folder in a zip file and upload it to Major Mixing when you place your order. Thanks for watching. See you next time.